We will guide you through how to pop up in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click Camtasia to open the program. Click the New Project button to create a new project for your editing session. Next, click the Media Bin menu on the left side of the screen. Then, click the Import Media button to add a video to your project. Select the video file that you want to create a pop-up effect for from your computer. Click the Open button to continue importing the selected file. After the file is imported successfully, it will appear inside the Media Bin. Drag and drop the video from the Media Bin onto track 1. Next, reduce the size of the video slightly by dragging the corner handles in the preview window until it becomes smaller. You can play the video before editing it to make sure everything looks correct. Move the timeline back to the beginning of the video before adding the animation. Then, enlarge the track section so you can see the timeline more clearly and work more accurately. Click the Animations menu on the left side of the screen. Then, select the Animations category from the two available options displayed in the panel. Find the Custom Animation option from the available list of animations. Drag and drop the custom animation directly onto the video clip on the track. Set the animation duration to 2 seconds by adjusting the animation length on the timeline. At the beginning of the animation, reduce the size of the video in the preview window so it starts from a smaller scale. At the end of the animation, leave the video at its current size so it finishes at its normal scale without making any additional changes. Move the timeline back to the beginning of the video. Then, click the play button to preview the pop-up effect.